Today we are going to show you this JX battery cell and how to replace a new battery cell for an old battery. The package includes full set accessories, 1-year guarantee, and video instructions. The advantages of replacing battery cell. First, all the battery data will be kept in the system, so there will be no pop-up windows, no notifications of unrecognized parts. Second, at the beginning, the battery health is the same as the old battery cell, like 70%, 75%. But as time goes on, the battery health goes up, like to 90%, 93%. That's why this product is a hit now. The test machine is iPhone 13 Pro, iOS 26 in beta. The battery health is 84%. Now power off. Let's go. Take off the screws. Open the phone. Use alcohol to soften the screen glue. Take off screws and the protection shield. Take off the flex cable, take out the screen. Take off the control board. Please keep your fingers protecting the flex cable from tearing apart. Pull the insulation tape and the board comes out. Use a ceramic scissors to cut the tape. The replaced battery cell needs insulative operation. Polish the welding points and cut the tab. Take off the nickel plates of the tabs. Make sure the nickel plates left are even. Polish the welding points of the control board. Make sure they are clean because metal debris will cause unknown faults. The connect point on the control board must be wrapped by insulation tape. This is the logo of a JX battery cell and another anti-counterfeiting steel seal on the tab. This is a high-capacity cell, higher than the original battery. Please notice, never cut the left low corner and don't fold inward. It will pierce the battery by accident. Use double-sided tape to fasten and protect control board from welding. Put the insulation tape at the back of the control board, about this place. Stick at this place, put the control board in, and make it even. Make them joint tight. If you follow every steps above, you'll find there were no sparks when welding. Perfect welding. Use a ceramic scissors to cut a redundant edge. Press the welding point lightly to make it joint well like it was. Pack with insulation tape. Make sure they joint tight. Put on this accessory. It's included in the battery cell package and the insulation tape. Make them joint well. Put on battery glue and install the battery. Put everything back. Now put the phone and see what happens. Check the battery. Charging successful. Battery health is the same as it was. In daily use, the battery health will go up with the system calibration.